Hello, Mr. Ancona. This is Paul. This is your engine box. It's getting ready for its final coat of varnish. And then here is the soundproofing. They used ceiling tiles, basically, that same material. And so that's what we did. We've got it all glued in. Your engine box will shortly look like that one right there as soon as we get the final coat on. Over here, we'll show you your boat. The lines were in really poor condition, so we actually repainted the lines with amber prior to putting the final coat on. So we got your amber lines, and so we've got to put the ceiling boards in. I wanted to have a little discussion about your windshield. We have gotten a number of Continentals in here in the same year range, 53 through 57, 58, 57. And actually we do have a 60 in here now too. And we're finding that the windshield holes on the windshield for snaps were factory. So I'm going to suggest that maybe we don't send your windshield frame off don't send your windshield frame off for rechroming and filling of the holes. So, and that would save you $1,275. So, just wanted to mention that while I'm doing the video, and show you that's your finals done on the boat, and show you the progress is what we were interested in doing. So, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.